Good morning, everybody. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is my first ever moto vlog. I am like brand new to this, you guys. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just barely got my microphone set up, got my camera set up, and yeah, now here we are on the Grom on a beautiful morning here in Salt Lake City, Utah. So it's a little chilly. Not too bad right now. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button. Like I said, I'm brand new to this, so cut me some slack. You guys have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm excited. Hopefully this microphone sounds okay. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. But here we are. Hopefully the camera looks good. I'll have to adjust the settings eventually and kind of play with everything. But yeah, here we are on the 2023 Honda Grom. She's got a couple of mods on her, but if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go ahead and watch those real quick. We're coming to a little red light. I have no idea how to moto vlog, man. I don't know what to talk about. But you guys are going to see me. This is on my way to work. So I'm going to be driving to work today. Riding to work today, sorry. I feel like everybody, when I'm on this Grom, like wants to race, or they look like they want to race. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if they really want to. But yeah, I ain't trying to race, man. This thing is slow. For those of you that have a Honda Grom, you know this thing is very slow. And thankfully here in the state of Utah, you can filter lanes, so you know we can cut right through these boys and get to the front, so that way we can skip the traffic. You know what I'm saying? I love skipping traffic. It's like the best thing ever. Look at that little Corvette over there, man. Probably a old dude drives it. I know that's probably a stereotype, but I feel like it's a true stereotype. Yeah, we got about a 20-minute ride or so. Gotta look both ways when you're crossing the road, man. Can't get hurt, man. Gotta be safe on a bike. Hopefully it's not too windy. I don't really have a wind noise protector on this microphone, so if you can hear wind, man, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm gonna post this video no matter what, whether it sounds good or bad, looks good or bad, and then I'll just play with the settings afterwards. Yeah, I wish we were doing something cool today. We're not really going anywhere cool. We're not really doing anything fun. We're just going to work. But hey, you know what? Hey, he's running. That's okay. We just gotta go to work, gotta make some money, and have a good time. There's a Tesla. It's so beautiful around here in the mornings, you guys. I love it over here. I mean, I wish I was at the beach, honestly. It'd be a lot better, but for where I'm at, it's not too bad. Good weather. Got beautiful mountains. If you guys can see that view right there, those are not the most beautiful mountains here in Utah. The ones behind me are. If you can see in that rear view mirror. I don't know if you can, but a little dirty. I haven't washed this bike like ever, so you gotta do that. So if you guys are considering and have considered getting a Honda Grom, let this video be your deciding factor. If you guys enjoyed the video, obviously. If you don't enjoy the video, you know what? That's okay. I'm enjoying making it, so, and I love the Grom. And that should be a good enough testament. Uh-oh, we're cutting in front of this guy. And that was my bad, brother. But I didn't realize it was green already, so here we go. My front wheel, the only thing on this Grom is my front wheel kind of wobbles a little bit, like, not like side to side, so like it's stiff, but it does do a little bit of like, it feels like it has a, like the wheel's a little bent or something, that kind of wobbling. I did get the tires like filled up all the way to where they're supposed to be at, and it helped it a little bit, but it's still kind of, oh, it's chilly. There's like a wind chill or something right there, man. Jeez. Well, I gotta be careful because these tires are not the greatest on Honda Grom, and these roads are a little slick, and I almost dropped it once trying to impress some girls, so yeah, we don't want to do that. Hey, we got some fellow bikers. What's up, man? Yeah, he waved back or something. I don't know what he did. I'm gonna pretend he waved back so I don't look like an idiot, but I probably still look like an idiot right here. So here we go. I gave him the nod and he didn't nod back, so I'm still looking like an idiot. I want to get side mirrors, but if you guys saw my other video, I kind of hurt myself trying to put the mirrors on. I like stabbed myself in the hand right here with my drill. So I've kind of put that off for now. I think eventually I'll get to it. But yeah, man, she's beautiful. I'm actually partnering with Moto. So Moto, you know, Kira, if you're watching this video, I appreciate you guys. Got a few videos coming out for all of you guys on some stuff from Moto soon. Some dope products from them. So, oh, we got a green light. Let's go. It's not red. It's usually red right here. Let's switch lanes. Oh, it's yellow. Tap the helmet. Tap the helmet. There we go, guys. We made it. Don't worry. It was not a yellow. It was green. I'm colorblind. So yeah, that's a cool little Camry. Man, these Broncos, what do you guys think of these Broncos, man? They're kind of dope. Alright, let's cut these lanes again, man. Screw this traffic. We don't need no traffic in our lives, man. We got a motorcycle. Oh, this is gonna be a tight fit. Oh, we fit! We fit! That was scary. But we good, we good, we good. Let's go! Oh, we got a biker, we got a biker. He didn't wave back, guys. He didn't wave back. He's going too fast. Oh, no. Let's cut and weave through these. You know what I'm saying? Cut through that, cut through that. We don't want to hit it. See if we can make this green light. Oh, no, we can't make it. We can't make it. So you think we can skid a little bit? Yep, we did. Oh, man. Let's put her in neutral. I don't know if people... like when they see me skid, I don't know if they think I do it by accident or if they do it on purpose. I normally do it on purpose. What's up, dude?
What's up?
How's it going, bro? Nice truck.
Nice Grom, dude.
Appreciate it, man. Do you ride?
Oh, not right now.
No?
I'm busy.
Take care, man. Let's go! Oh gosh, guys, this is the first race. Oh man, that was sick. I didn't even hear he was talking to me until I looked over. But yeah, the first race won by the Grom. Let's go. And I almost dropped the bike. I just hit a really big bump, you guys. Such a dope guy. I wasn't asking him if he wanted to ride. I think he misunderstood me. I was just asking him if he does ride. But we can make it! We can make it! Come on, baby! Come on! Go, go, go! Ah, tap the helmet. We made it through. It's always good to meet fans. No, I'm just kidding. You know, people actually really like this Grom when they see it. And I don't blame them. I love it too. So it's a fun little bike. People are like, oh, what the frick is that when they see it? Oh, what is going on here, man? What the freak is going on here? We're gonna cut through here. Just kidding, we're not gonna cut through here because we can't do that. We can't lane split like in California. I can only lane filter, you guys. Come on, don't get me arrested here, man. That guy's got a legal tint on his windows. Arrest that guy. No, I'm just kidding. Don't arrest him. Wow, look at this beautiful little farm right here. It usually smells like crap over here, you guys. Whenever I'm riding over here, it smells terrible. But right now, it actually smells pretty nice. I wonder what they put in there. We got Jerry over there golfing. What's up, Jerry? A little wave to him. He's not going to wave back. That's okay. This is my favorite road right here, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn right. And I'll show you guys. This is like my favorite road to ride on. On my way to work, at least. Not in general. There's a lot prettier roads out there. We'll slow down a little bit so we don't biff it on this turn. You know, turn off that blinker. But yeah, this is why I'm saying, look at the mountains right there. So I live up there, and we've been riding for about 15-20 minutes now, I think. But yeah, it is beautiful, you guys. This is a beautiful road to be on. Should we honk at this person? Oh, she smiles. She got a dog. I think that was a baby too. So anyways, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please leave a like, please subscribe. I eventually hope to get better at this motovlogging stuff. Like I said, it's my first time, so please bear with me. This craziness. Oh man, we gotta get over, man. We gotta get to the right here. Let's put on that blinker. Get over. One more time. There we go. Turn that blinker off. Alright, blinker's going back on because we are turning right. And we are almost here, guys. We're pretty much here. Probably just gonna end the video once I park. But we'll see. Beautiful morning until you get to work, and then you're like, now I gotta work, man. That's okay. This has been fun. Definitely gonna be doing this more. See, look at those mountains, you guys. Look at those mountains. Those are beautiful. Let's turn right into here. And we are here. All right, boys, let's park her up. Don't want to pop any tires over here, but this is like the only spot I can park, man. Turn this girl off. GG's. Set down the stand. And here we are, you guys. All we gotta do now is lock her up. Turn that off, pull the key out, and we are here. Look at that, you guys. Good old Grom. She's a little dirty, like I said, but she just needs a little wash, and she'll look a lot better. Like I said, I do have some moto parts. I don't want to show you guys too much, but I'll be making some videos on those here soon. But anyways, you guys, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching. I'm currently at work now, so I'm going to go ahead and head inside. Hopefully you enjoyed my first moto vlog, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.